Hey everybody, I'm back here in my research area, put another camera up to try to get to see where those lights are coming from. I got it cornered in now, 3 different areas, and hopefully this time we can find where the source is coming from. I hope for that to be. So I'm going to keep this short. I'm not going to keep it long. It's starting to get dark back here. It's like 6:19 right now. I'm going to be back here when it's too dark. But I'm just checking out the area, and I did see some tracks. I don't know. Couldn't make out because they're covered up with the leaves and the pine needles back here, but they're pretty big. That's my cell phone picking up on a camera that I have probably just put up now. But anyway, I just wanted to check in and say hello to you all, and hopefully I got more stuff coming out. So we'll check on it in the next couple of days. I have enough video and audio that I have recorded, and I'll be putting it out. So again, this is Man of Light, South Jersey Research Area. Putting out the 3rd camera in the same area now to hopefully see where them lights are coming from and what's causing them. I believe the portals. It's just a big portal area right there. Light came on the other night, and when it shut off, it made a snap like a tree knock, but it wasn't a tree knock. I believe it's a portal door or opening, a closing and opening. But anyway, Man of Light here. I thank you all for subscribing, those who have, and like and share my videos. And the channel is growing, and I thank you all for that. I got things of interest for everybody coming up pretty soon. So I thank you all, and have a great night, and God bless you all. Thank you.